Hi guys, my name is Catherine Peralta, and I'm going to go ahead and share how to solve and hopefully help you guys solve the brief exercise 11-6. I believe it's in homework 2. So let's just jump right in. All right. So here, I apologize because I got these two wrong. I did solve it, so I do have the right solution, and I can show you guys how I got it. To start off with, the problem says the stockholders' equity section of Bramble Corp's balance sheet consists of common stock, $8 par, 1,024,000, and retained earnings of 430,000. A 10% stock dividend, which is 12,800, is shares is declared when the market price per share is $18. And we're just supposed to show the before and after effects of the dividend on the components of the stockholders' equity. So to start off with, just going to go down the list over here on the side. The first one will be stockholders' equity, because that is what we're trying to figure out. So on this one, we're going to see what was paid in capital. On this side, this is before the dividends. So we're going to put common stock paid in capital in excess of par value. We're going to get the par value because of right here, the par up here. Total paid in capital, retained earnings, and stockholders' equity. Total stockholders' equity, I apologize. So we're going to just focus on the before side for right now. Common stock is 1,024,000. That's just given to us. For this one, the excess of par value common stock is just 0. So if we add 0 plus 1,024,000, we're just going to get 1,024,000. Then retained earnings was given to us, and it's 430,000. So we put that there, and we add the 1,024,000 plus the 430,000 of retained earnings, and we get 1,454,000. Then to go ahead and do the before dividends on the outstanding shares, we're going to go ahead and take this number, the common stock of 1,024,000, and we're going to divide it by the common stock, which is 8 par. So go ahead and divide that by 8, and you will get 128,000. Now, for the next one, we're just going to start from the bottom on this one. For this one, we're going to take this number that we just got, 128,000, and we're going to multiply it by 110%. 100% because you did pay this already, you're adding this already as is, plus the 10% stock dividend. So go ahead and multiply 128,000 by 110%, and you should get 140,800. Then we're going to go ahead and start by doing the paid in excess capital. So on this one, this should stay the same. So this one should be just 1,024,000. And then on this one, which I got wrong, but I did solve, what we're going to do is we're going to take the outstanding shares before dividend, which is 128,000, multiply that by 10%, and then we're going to multiply it again by the market price, which is per share, which is 18. So if you multiply $128,000 by 10%, which is the stock dividend, and then go ahead and multiply it again by 18, you should get 230,400. Okay, so if we add 230,400 plus the 1,024,000, we should get a total of 1,254,400. 1,254,400. Then for returned earnings, we're gonna go ahead and take the 430,000 before dividend, and we're gonna subtract the 230,400 that was up here. And when you do that, you should get 199,600. Sorry guys, it's late at night. And when you add this number and this number together, you should get 1,454,000, which should be exactly the same as on this side. I apologize if it seemed confusing at all, but if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I am willing to go ahead and also write it down for you guys, or anything, how I solved some of the equations, or feel free to play back as many times as needed. And again, I apologize. Anyways, hopefully this helped someone. So thank you guys for watching.